Hi, I'm Chad, the manager here at Carpet To Go Flooring in Mooresville, North Carolina. Let me tell you a little bit about ourselves. Our company is family owned and operated. We've got 5 locations in the Carolinas. We've been in business over 30 years. We've got a large selection of products, including carpet, where we've got our nylon, we've got our Pet Protect carpets, we've got solution dyed products. We've got everything to fit your need. We also offer a great selection of luxury vinyl products. We've got a wood look product, we've got tile look products. They're 100% waterproof and great for every area in your house. We offer laminate products, which are very dent and scratch resistant. We've got a large selection of hardwoods and a great selection of tile products. As you can see, in our showroom, we offer all the major brands, as well as a large selection of stocking products. This will not only expedite your installation, but if you're doing a DIY, you can go down to our warehouse and pick it up. And we offer knowledgeable staff, professional installation, and great customer service. So come down and see us at Carpet To Go Flooring and let us help you with your next flooring project.